I have something new here. So Obsessed Garage isn't the only YouTube channel that I order stuff from. So this is something from Adam LZ, or LZ Manufacturing, which is obviously another YouTube channel. And this was something that they were selling as part of one of their giveaways. I think it was a Chaser giveaway. So this is a bolt kit that they offer on their site. And I thought I'd give it a shot and see what it was like. It was about $100, and it seems like it comes with a lot of stuff that could kind of get you out of a jam if you lost a bolt or a nut or something like that while working on a vehicle. The assortment seems to be Japanese, or well, designed for Japanese. So it did arrive in a Priority Mail flat rate box. It looks like it was shipped directly from boltandnuts.com, which is the company that I believe put this together. It did arrive damaged, which is a bummer. So you can see here that this side is dented in. There's kind of the side of it and what it looks like, but I think I could probably fix that, and that it doesn't matter all that much. There is supposed to be a bit of an overhang, so we'll figure it out. So here's what it looks like inside. So we've got 2 stickers in here, boltandnuts.com and LZ Manufacturing Drift Kit. And let's pull this out and we will show you on camera what's included. All right, so we have M5, M6, M8, and M10, so 5, 6, 8, 10. And we have assorted lengths, so this is a 10 millimeter, 16 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 25. Well, you can see the backing here to see what's included. I don't have to go through every single one. And then there are flange nuts for each of these, along with washers for each of these. So if you're working on a Honda and it's you know, like a standard 10 millimeter nut, that would be this M6. So this is a pretty common, like a Honda or Mazda or whatever size. And this would be like your standard 12 millimeter. The M8 has a 13 millimeter head on it. And the M10, it looks like, is a 15 millimeter head. So we've got assorted different sizes, assorted lengths, a couple of each of them. There are washers and nuts in here. These are all, they appear to all be grade 10. Well, these are grade 10, grade 10, grade 10. These are grade 8 bolts, which are really nice because they're going to be super hard. And these are going to be great for just general, you know, engine work and things like that. Oftentimes you get these old cars, and especially if somebody's worked on them before, like the Miata or the Civic, where they might be missing some hardware. You take something off, the wrong bolt's in its place. So this just gives us kind of a general assortment that we can pull from. I think this is a nice touch. They included a couple different lengths of zip ties as well as some flush cutters. The flush cutters do seem really nice. I have a set of Klein flush cutters that I purchased recently, and they're not flat on the back. So these do seem to line up really nicely. They've got a decent grip on them. So overall, it seems like a nice kit. It's a bummer about the ding in my case, but I can straighten that out here. So you know, it's not a huge deal. I think that they probably could have packaged it a little bit better, but you know, it's also a metal box full of bolts, so I can probably be a little bit more reasonable about it as well, and you know, get over the fact that it's not perfect. Obviously, if you went to buy this at a hardware store and you were just purchasing a bunch of you know, nuts and bolts to kind of fill this kit out yourself, I think that it would be a lot more expensive. And I think it's a nice to have kit. It's got the nice organizers in it. Everything is separated out, so it's easy to figure out, you know, what's what. They're all labeled and stuff very nicely. So I'll probably check out boltandnuts.com and see, you know, what else they have on their website, and if there's maybe another assortment or two that I want to stock myself. I did look at a couple alternative bolt and nut kits from Amazon and a couple other sources, and this seemed to be a good mix of sizes that are oriented for, you know, kind of Honda, Nissan, Toyota, Mazda, those types of vehicles that, you know, Japanese cars, which it makes sense. That's what LZ drives. And, you know, purchasing it gave me an entry for the Chaser, which I don't think I won. Hasn't been announced yet. But anyway, just arrived today. I ordered it a couple weeks ago. Seems like a nice complete kit, and you know, obviously as long as the bolts are what they're rated, I don't expect that I'll have any problems with them. They all seem to have their threads cut well, and you know, I don't see any like slag or anything, you know, here that makes it look like it's anything other than super high quality. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.